Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn about the tags which is present in HTML. So the tags which we are discussing in this class is image tag and anchor tag. So how can we use image tag and anchor tag? So those things we will see in this video. So let's start the class. So as you know, this is my Visual Studio. This is my Visual Studio code. Here I have opened the HTML folder, and as we know, in the previous class we discussed about the H1 like heading stack, as you know. So today in this class we will discuss about anchor and the image stack. So for that you have to create a file here. So the file name is image and anchor tags dot html dot html. So here, so if you want to have the HTML5 structure, what you have to type HTML, you have to type, and you can see right HTML colon 5. You have to click on this, then you will get the basic structure of HTML5 document. And here in the title, I will write explanation of image and anchor tags and HTML5. HTML5. So here in the H1 tag, I will write introduction to image and anchor, anchor anchor tags, anchor tags. So we have written the introduction to image and anchor tags in H1 tag, right? So to come to the next line, so we have to use break. So which is br tag. So br tag will do, it will come to the next line. It will come to the next line. And here I will create an image tag, which is img, and close the image tag also. Close the image tag. Yeah, the body only we are writing, right? Okay, yeah. Yes. So just write slash and the body just change mg and mg. So it is a image tag. It is a image tag. So here you have to specify source. You have to specify the source. So where you will get the source? So just go to the folder here, and you're having lots of images, right? Lots of images. So I want to display this image. I want to display this image. Just go to the properties, and go to the security. You're having general and security, right? So here you can see the path, right? C column users Achyut download event.png. Just you have to copy this thing and specify the path here. Clear this thing now. Let's clear this. That's it. That's it. Let's remove this. Yeah. So we have written the image. We have written the image. For example, for suppose, if the path which you have given, if it is wrong, so whatever the path which you have given, if it is wrong, so what you have to display? What you have to display? What you have to display? So you have to display the alternative name. So if you don't give the path correctly, if you don't give the path correctly, then what you have to print is like those things you have to specify in the alternate. Those things you have to specify in the alternate. For example, if you given the path wrong, if you given the path wrong, so then automatically the image will be not be displayed, not be displayed. So instead of displaying nothing, you can display some sentence here, like you can write some content here, that content will be displayed. So you can specify here, sorry, uh im- image can't be displayed. Is an image can't be displayed. And we can give the width 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 of the image. I can specify or 300 pixels, 300. I can specify 300 pixels. And I can specify the height also, height height GIGHT, height as 300 pixel. It will be in the square form. It will be in the square form. So we have specified the image. We have specified the image. So after that, I want break. I want break. So it will give on the next line. It will give on the next line. And here I will give the anchor tag. Here I will give the anchor tag. So here I will specify H reference. So reference means like you can give the a link. So anchor tag which is used to perform to transfer from to the website So it's in the anchor tag, an attribute called hits reference. It is used to give the website of the link. So now I will give the YouTube link, my channel link here. See here. So I have stored the YouTube link here. Just I will copy this thing, and here I will specify it. Here I will specify it. So this is my YouTube channel link. So here I will specify Achyut underscore start. Just I'll give the Achyut underscore start. So anchor tag will give the this text will be considered as the anchor tag. This text will be considered as the anchor tag. So here I will specify some H6 tag, H6, H5 tag. So I will write, if you want to go to Achyut to the underscore start YouTube channel. Please click on the below link. So I'm telling, so if you click on this Achyut underscore start, you can go to the Achyut YouTube channel. Achyut YouTube channel. So this is how we can specify the image tag and anchor tag. So what is beer tag? So to get that image on the next line, you have to use the beer tag. So I hope you understand. So H reference is an alternate, like sorry, is an attribute for the anchor tag. So now I will execute this program. Just click on F5 and click on Google Chrome. See here, we got the title as explanation of image and anchor tag, and we are having the introduction to image and anchor tags, which I have implemented in the H1 tag. So the size of the H1 tag will be implemented on this text, and I have used the image tag. I have used the image tag. To display this image on the screen. To display the image on the screen. So here, if you want to go to Achyut underscore YouTube channel, please click on the below link, which I specified in the H5 tag. So based upon the H5 tag size, this content will be displayed like this. And it is an anchor tag, right? See here, it's in blue color and you can see the underline here, right? So it is an anchor tag and it show the finger symbol. See, right? You can see this finger symbol. So you can go to the Achyut _ YouTube channel by clicking on this. See, I'll click on it. So it's not accessing. Let's give, oh, we did not give the HTTPS. HTTP. So just replace this thing with HTTPS. With HTTPS. So we have to give the hypertext transfer protocols so that it can go to the YouTube channel. Just I will cancel it and I will click F5 again. And it is executed now. So now click on Achyut start. Now we can go to the my channel. You can go to my channel. See here, you can see my channel here. So this is my channel. So in this way, you can go to the you can go to any website, you can go to the any YouTube channel, whatever the link which you specified in the anchor tag. So those website you can access it. You can access it. So I hope you understand the how to use the image tag and the anchor tag. And if you have any doubts in this class, please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.